For this next activity, we're going to work on the concept that is called 101 correspondence. We want them to know and point to each of the items and assign a number to them. So we're going to keep using our zoo animals and the chips that we're using, but you can do this with fruits, you can do this with buttons, you can do this with shoes, you can do it with anything. We want to go, I do it 1 to 5 to start with. So we're going to spread around and put an animal on each side of your living room. And we're going to assign a certain number of chips to each of the items. And then together we are going to point to each of the chips as we assign a number to it. This is called 101 correspondence. So 1, 2, 3. And as we go like this, we point to each of the numbers. You can move them around if that's easier, if they're getting confused to just do it pointing, or they're counting faster than they're able to be pointing. So I'll show you how we did it so that you can recreate it at home.
Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Mira. Acá, mira acá. 4, 5, 6.